Hello guys, today I'll show you how to install glass case at assist grip position. At first, open the lid with a curved screwdriver. This screwdriver is included in product package. I bought this glass case from AliExpress about $10. This product package includes tools for installation of glass case. Insert the screwdriver into the buckle and pull out assist grip. Put the glass case into the two holes. Insert the two fixing bolts to be steady. It's done. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and thumbs up.